This blind really lowers heating bills and making it costs next to nothing. I don't spend money on ready-made blinds or shades. Instead, I make them myself in just a few minutes, and they cost very little. All you need is a regular roll of wallpaper. I start by measuring about 80 inches from one edge of the roll. This length works perfectly for a window that is about 3 feet high. I mark a line and cut the wallpaper at that point with scissors. Next, I use a thermal blanket. I stick strips of double-sided tape onto the wallpaper, remove the backing, and attach the thermal blanket with the silver side facing the blind. Then I measure about 1 inch from the edge, draw a line, and start folding the wallpaper. First in one direction, then in the other, until it forms an even accordion shape. This creates a pleated blind. When the wallpaper is fully folded, I mark the center and drill a small hole using a thin drill bit. I thread a cord through it and secure it with a small loop. I fix the other end on the back of the wallpaper, on the plain side. Along the top edge, I add more double-sided tape and attach the blind to the top of the window frame. In just a few minutes, you get an aesthetic pleated blind that looks better than a store-bought one. The silver layer of the thermal blanket reflects heat back into the room instead of letting it escape through the glass. The window doesn't cool down as quickly. The temperature difference between the glass and the room is smaller, and the heating system doesn't have to work as hard. Every year, I cover my windows with bubble wrap. At first, my neighbors laughed at me, but once they learned the reason, they started doing it too. It turns out bubble wrap has many hidden uses, aside from being a satisfying stress reliever. If the air pockets are intact, it can significantly lower heating costs by reducing heat loss by up to 50%. All you need is a piece of bubble wrap cut to the size of your window and a spray bottle filled with water. Clean the glass, spray it with water, and press the bubble side of the wrap directly onto the wet surface. The wrap will stick on its own, no glue or tape needed. For extra security, you can tape the edges to the window frame, but it's not essential. This trick works wonders for single-pane windows, basements, attics, greenhouses, and even some double-glazed windows. It's a simple, reusable solution that doesn't lose its insulating properties. You can remove the wrap anytime and reapply it, for example, on especially cold nights. Bubble wrap insulation has been proven effective in keeping rooms warm and reducing energy bills. Gardeners often use it in greenhouses, where it can cut heat loss by 30% and raise the temperature inside by up to 2 degrees Celsius. Over time, you can collect bubble wrap from packages to use for this purpose, making it a sustainable and cost-effective way to stay warm. You might save hundreds of dollars during a single heating season with this simple trick. Place a towel on the windowsill, and you'll lower your heating bills. Open the window and attach a bath towel to the window frame. Close the window and roll the towel so it tightly fills the gap along the seals. This way, icy wind has no way of getting inside. Drafts are effectively blocked, preventing heat from escaping the room. Instead of buying expensive weather stripping, use this simple trick. Pour this on the sidewalk and it will melt even the thickest ice. Fill a container halfway with water and add dishwashing liquid. Then pour in isopropyl alcohol. Shake well to mix everything and pour it onto the icy surface. The ice melts almost instantly, and the sidewalk stays safe for longer. Spray your snow shovel with a thin layer of WD-40, then clear snow as usual. Thanks to this simple trick, snow won't stick to the shovel, making the job much faster, easier, and without constantly shaking off built-up snow. You need to try this. 5 winter hacks you need to know. Cut a pool noodle lengthwise and open it up. Lift the windshield wiper, place the noodle over it, then lower the wiper back down. Do the same with the other wiper. This prevents the wipers from freezing to the windshield. In the morning, just remove the noodle and you're good to go. Next, take a zip-top bag and open it. Slip it over the side mirror and secure it with a rubber band. Do the same for the other mirror. The bag protects your mirrors from snow and frost. Remove the bags and enjoy mirrors ready for driving. Always keep a piece of cardboard in your trunk. Place it under the front wheels. The cardboard increases traction and helps you move off on snow or ice. 1 tablespoon is all you need, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cold mornings can be really unpleasant, and clearing ice off the glass often takes way too long. Instead of buying an expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Pour 1 cup of alcohol into a tall container. It melts ice fast and boosts the whole mixture. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effect of the alcohol but also lowers the freezing point, helping the ice melt faster and preventing a new layer from forming. Add half a cup of boiled water to get the right consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of a secret, very important ingredient. It forms a protective layer and slows down refreezing. Add a tablespoon of dish soap to help the mixture spread evenly. A few drops of essential oil will give it a pleasant scent, so it's effective and nice to use. Once mixed, pour everything into a spray bottle, close it and shake well. Spray it over the frosted windshield, and the ice will disappear within moments, leaving the glass perfectly clear. The secret ingredient is glycerin, thanks to which you can finally forget what morning scraping feels like. I don't waste time in the morning defrosting my car windows. At night, I spread a towel over the glass. The towel traps the moisture, so ice doesn't form, and the windows stay clear and ready to drive in the morning. Especially in sub-zero temperatures. Take out the insoles from your winter shoes and trace them on thin cardboard. Then, cut them out. Take aluminum foil. Wrap the cardboard insole with it. It's important for the shiny side to be facing up. Insert the prepared insole into the shoe, under the standard insole. Cardboard insulates from the cold. The foil reflects the heat from the foot and helps maintain a higher temperature in the shoe. This simple trick prevents feet from freezing even in sub-zero temperatures. It works especially well for shoes with thin soles. In winter, I sprinkle this into my socks. All it takes is a small amount of cayenne pepper. I put the sock on one foot, then the other. Cayenne gently stimulates circulation and provides a pleasant warming sensation. The feeling of warmth lasts for a long time. My feet no longer get cold, even on winter days. In winter, I always keep rice in my pocket. Pour rice into a sock, tie it in a knot, and heat it in the microwave for 1 minute. Put the sock in your jacket pocket. Whenever your hands get cold, take it out and warm them up. Rice retains heat for a long time and releases it gradually, helping your hands warm up quickly and stay comfortable. It's the perfect hand warmer when it's really cold outside. This is a winter trick you need to know. Put rubber gloves on your hands, then put on your favorite gloves. The rubber layer creates an extra protective barrier, traps heat, and effectively shields your hands from cold and wind. It's a quick solution that noticeably improves comfort on cold days.